If you don't have the swipe to reply feature on Instagram, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to get it back, so follow up with me. First, of course, we open Instagram, and then from there go to your chats by tapping right here in the top right corner and then choose a conversation. Usually if I want to reply to this message, all I need to do is to swipe to the right side or the left side, and then I go ahead and write my reply and send it normally just like that. You can even tap and hold on that message, a little menu will pop up right under it, tap on reply, and again, tap on reply and type in your message just like that. Now if you don't have both of those features, follow up with me. You can first go to your App Store or Play Store and go to Instagram and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version. If you have it updated and still have this issue, go to the main screen of Instagram, tap right here in the bottom right corner, tap there in the top right corner, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Help, tap on Report a Problem, tap on Report a Problem without shaking, choose Include and Continue. From here, describe that you have that problem to them. You can just copy my message right here if you want. Once you're done, of course, tap on Send in the top right corner and they should get back to you in a short time. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.